Parents spend years searching for the best school for their child, but many never think about their child's first classroom. It's the womb. Before your baby speaks, before the first birthday, before the first day of school, your baby is already growing in the environment you create during pregnancy. Your nutrition, your sleep, your daily routines, your emotional well being, your love. This is the heart of Garbha Sanskar, creating a nurturing environment for both mother and baby. School teaches your child about the world. Pregnancy is where your child first experiences yours. Make it a world filled with love, peace, and care.